Imagine a fighter jet soaring at supersonic speeds, making life-or-death decisions in combat without a human pilot. Is this the future of warfare, or a terrifying step too far? The rise of AI-controlled weapons promises speed and precision, but it plunges us into an unprecedented ethical minefield. Who is truly in command when the trigger is pulled by an algorithm? Get ready to confront the profound ethical challenges of AI-controlled fighter jets and the critical questions shaping the future of conflict. For decades, the ultimate decision to engage an enemy, to take a life in combat, has rested in human hands. But we are on the cusp of a revolution. Advances in artificial intelligence are making AI-controlled fighter jets a terrifying reality. Machines capable of identifying targets, assessing threats, and initiating lethal force, all without direct human oversight. The allure is clear. Eliminate human risk, react faster than any pilot, achieve unmatched precision. But should we cede the ultimate decision of life and death to a machine? This question lies at the heart of the most profound ethical debate in modern warfare. The potential benefits are undeniable. AI could operate in environments too dangerous or demanding for humans, reducing casualties on our side. It could process information and make tactical decisions at speeds far beyond human cognitive limits. An AI fighter would never tire, never feel fear, never be swayed by emotion, theoretically making it a more consistent and objective combatant. However, these promises come with chilling ethical dilemmas. Accountability: if an AI-controlled jet makes a wrongful kill, who is responsible? The programmer who wrote the code, the commander who deployed it, the manufacturer, or the machine itself? The concept of moral culpability becomes terrifyingly ambiguous. The slippery slope. Critics fear that autonomous weapons could lower the threshold for conflict. If fewer human lives are directly at risk for the aggressor, does it make warfare easier to initiate? Could it spark an unpredictable arms race, leading to a world saturated with autonomous killing machines? Unintended escalation. AI systems, by their nature, react based on programmed parameters. What if an unforeseen scenario leads to an escalating series of automated decisions that spirals out of control without human intervention to de-escalate? Perhaps the most unsettling challenge is the black box problem and inherent bias. Complex AI algorithms can be so intricate that even their creators may not fully understand how they arrive at a decision. It's a black box where inputs go in and actions come out, but the intermediate reasoning is opaque. This makes forensic analysis after a wrongful engagement nearly impossible. Furthermore, AI systems are trained on data. If that data contains subtle biases, perhaps inadvertently classifying certain patterns or behaviors, could the AI develop a bias in targeting or make errors in distinguishing combatants from non-combatants with fatal consequences? Can an algorithm truly understand the nuances of a surrender, the desperation of a civilian, or the concept of proportionality in attack? The very nature of war could fundamentally change. Removing the human from the kill chain, the sequence from target identification to engagement represents a seismic shift. It dehumanizes conflict, transforming it into a sterile algorithmic process. This profound concern has driven international debate, with many nations and organizations, including the United Nations, actively discussing the urgent need for international treaties to regulate or even ban lethal autonomous weapons systems laws. The argument isn't just about safety, it's about preserving human dignity in warfare. It asks, what does it mean for humanity when we delegate the act of killing to a machine? The rise of AI-controlled fighter jets forces us to confront not just the capabilities of our technology, but the very core of our ethics. It's a future that promises unparalleled military power, but demands unprecedented scrutiny and a global consensus on the moral lines we must never cross. What are your thoughts on the ethical implications of AI-controlled fighter jets? Should machines be entrusted with making life or death decisions in combat? Or should there always be a human in the loop? Share your perspective in the comments below. And if you're as fascinated by the future of defense technology and its societal impact as we are, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the Aviation Archives for more critical discussions on the cutting edge of aviation.